Okay, this is question 5 on the paper, a calculator paper. Question 5 says, the table shows the distances in miles between 4 cities. Okay, so this type of table is used to show the distance between 2 places on a grid, so it helps you work out how to get from one place to another really quickly. Okay, so the question says, write down the distance between London and Salisbury. So they want us to write down, and write down means we don't have to do any work-ins, we just need to find it and then just write it down. So how does this table work? Well, these are all distances from London, and these are all distances from Salisbury, and where they meet over here, that's going to be the distance between London and Salisbury. And in this case, that's going to be 97 miles. Okay? Which 2 cities are the shortest distance apart? So we want the cities which are the shortest distance apart. And so what we're looking for is the smallest number in that table. And the smallest number in that table I can see it there is 39. Now, the 2 cities that intersect at 39 are London and Reading. So that's what I'm going to write down. I'm going to write down London and Reading. Okay. The last part, it says Nassim drives from Portsmouth to Salisbury. He then drives, so his first bit is from Portsmouth to Salisbury. He then drives from Salisbury to Reading. Finally, he drives from Reading to Portsmouth. So he did a journey. He went from Portsmouth to Salisbury, and then Salisbury to Reading, and then Reading back home to Portsmouth. Work out. Now, working out, they want us to do something, right? We're not just going to write it down. They want us to work out the total distance that he traveled. Now, I'm going to put this at the side. How far was it from Portsmouth to Salisbury? So Portsmouth is there. Salisbury is there. They both meet at 41. So Portsmouth to Salisbury, it was 41 miles. Salisbury to Reading. So from Salisbury to Reading, that's 57 miles. And then he went from Reading to Portsmouth. So Reading to Portsmouth, that was 58 miles. And they want us to work out the total distance. So basically, they want us to add up these numbers. So what I'm doing is 1 add 7 is 8. 8 add 8 is 16. Carry 1. And then 4 and 1 is 5. 10, 15. So my answer is 156 miles. Okay, now that is a pretty straightforward question, and you should be able to get full marks in it. There's 5 marks for that altogether. Make sure you get them.